So one thing you can do deal reviews. And deal reviews, I mean, won deals and lost deals. So one, if we sign some deals, like what is the customer? How did we found this customer, or he found us? Like where does customer come from? Maybe we can replicate that source and
Yes.
grow on it. Yeah? Right, but really understand where exactly it came from, what happened, why the customer showed up at our doors, or we showed up at their doors, and see if you can do. That's one. Also do the same for lost customers where we have invested time. Yeah, so like post-mortem, in case. So we invested time, but we didn't sign. Then we like look, maybe it wasn't our customer. Why the customer was able to get so far in our pipeline there? Like what we did wrong, where we didn't do the qualification, why we didn't ask the questions early on. And let's say
Yes.
we spend half a year, a lot of resources, and find out that this is not a decision maker. Like how this happened, or that customer needs totally different product, or the problem is not what we thought. Like where we and it might happen in sales process, somewhere in sales, and it might happen in marketing, especially if of course marketing generates a lot of leads, and you can't know everything. Yes, but maybe there is something that we should avoid in the future, like certain type of customers or certain type of industries, or something. Yeah. So when we know that, we can learn, adapt, and maybe increase or decrease our investment into marketing in that area, or we can kind of change something, ask some early questions, or so. So yeah,
And
that's one. And this is only possible if all the data is captured all the down to the customer. That means marketing team has all the data, it passes to CRM, and the sales team in the CRM also adds like what kind of communication was there, how often, and when we found out. And third one, be honest, like super honest about what happened. When you win and when you lose, honest what happened, because you can't learn if you are not honest with yourself, with
if
your
you're hiding
teammates.
anything, yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.